Babe, babe, baby, babe, babe, come here. Hey, I see you actually. Hey, uy, halika dito. Hey, baby, come here, baby boy. Okay, come here. No, you can't be serious. Come here. I want you to be here. Come on. Okay, thank you. Hey, don't say that. Okay, hi. Wait, wait. Okay, hi. How are you, baby? Baby boy? I'm gonna cuddle you now. Do you wanna lay on my chest or just in my arms? Okay, okay, okay. How's your day? Like your whole day? Do you perhaps cry or like, how are you? Missed you. Well, it's kind of funny. Yeah, we only see each other on mornings and nights, and we don't see each other at all in the afternoon. So like, kamusta ka? Mhm. Uh huh. Yeah. How was your project? Uh, um. Yeah, that's great. Wait, actually, we galing mo. Oh, congrats, babe. Love you. I love you too. Congrats. That's a nice improvement, actually. You're such a good boy. Yeah. My day? Well, I kind of had an anxiety attack, but yeah, I'm okay, babe. Like, I'm okay. Don't worry about me. I just had a horrible anxiety attack. Now, yeah, I'm okay, baby boy. Don't worry about me, okay? I'm taking care of myself. I just got taken care, like, they put me in the clinic, and yeah, that's about it. They took me to the clinic, okay? That's about it, babe. Nothing, like, really bad happened, okay? Yeah, thank you. Thank you for trusting. Anyway, baby, um, let's relax a bit. Here in my arms, come on in, and we will sleep now. It's like, what time is it? It's 9 p.m. Pero I know you're not gonna sleep, so we can just talk in the bed. So talk with good place, baby. Okay, if you're not gonna talk, you are not gonna leave my arms though. You're already here. Hey, babe, matulog na tayo. Well, I know hindi pa tayo matutulog, pero like, babe, freaking talk to me at least, babe. Okay, let me play with your hair. Uh-huh. And scratch your neck and back. So, do we have any plan for the weekend at least? Like, tayong dalawa po. We don't. Oh, maybe we can go to Ayala. Ayala Triangle. Yeah, we can set up a picnic blanket. I'm sorry, picnic blanket, and we'll bring our favorite snacks if you want, and we'll just have a picnic date. Who cares? Just the two of us, babe. No one else. You wanna bring someone? Your friends? Well, I was kinda hoping tayong dalawa lang muna. Since we barely get to experience or sorry. I mean experience, not experience, spend time together. So I was kind of hoping tayong dalawa lang. Like, it's just a little cute date, babe. Okay. Thank you for understanding. I love you too. I love you too, baby. No, I'm so thankful to get um my anxiety. Like, I love you so much. You're the only person who gets me, and that's good. Like, oh my god, thank you, baby boy. Oh, what? You wanna what? Move your spot? No, I'm already comfortable, so you gotta stay there. I'm getting kind of sleepy, but like, babe, getting sleepy, like literal, inaantok na ako, baby. So, what do you have planned tomorrow? I see. Matatapos ka na po ba yan tomorrow? Nice. Update mo na lang ako about that. Just chat me, okay? Like, di ko naman nakikita yun kagad. Pero like, send me a chat still. Or if not, we can, catch up in the night. Like we always do, okay? Kasi busy naman tayo pareho. I know that, babe. Tomorrow, I'm gonna go for the gym. Yeah. I'm gonna go to the gym. And, go work out or run. Or maybe if I don't go to the gym, I'm just gonna run around Ayala Triangle and Salcedo. So, yeah. Can I sleep now, babe? Well, you wanna sleep with me na ba? Okay po. Um, I'm gonna I'm gonna turn off the light now. Oh, you're very easy. Okay, the light is turned off. Babe, good night. Hey, good night, baby. Mwah. I love you, babe. I love you. Hey, say it back. I love you. I'm gonna bite your arm. Joke lang. Okay, I love you so much. Sleep well. And I love you, love you, love you. I'm gonna give you back scratches habang natutulog ka. Kasi parang hindi pa makakatulog pero pipikit na po ako, okay? Hindi ako tatayo. Sure ka, matutulog ka na. Okay, very good. Very good boy. Okay, good night, baby. Love you, love you.